Hi, welcome to our Mautic CRM video series provided by Higher Education Marketing. Today, we will be showing you how to enable live mode in Mautic. Let's get started. First, navigate to Mautic's contact database by clicking Contacts in the main menu. The contact database is automatically set to static mode, and this means that you will not see new contacts being added unless you refresh the page or navigate away from it in return. But if you click the thunderbolt in the top right-hand corner over here, you will enable live mode, whereby new contacts are automatically added to the database as they are created in your system. If you want to toggle back to static mode, simply press the thunderbolt button again. And that's it! Now you know how to enable live mode in Mautic. For more videos, you can check out the Mautic CRM section of our website at higher-education-marketing.com.